Hello everyone. In this video, we will solve a few practice sums where we will use the standard identities. Let's do the first one. Use a suitable identity to get each of the following products. Let's do the first one. If I see it's a plus b into a plus b. So the identity which I'm going to use is a plus b whole square, because a plus b multiplication is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So now here a is x and b is 3. So I'll replace that. So it is going to be x square plus 2 times x into 3 plus b square. So 3 square. And that is equal to x square plus 2 into 3, 6x plus 9. Let's do the second one. Here again, a number minus a number, number minus a number. So what we are going to use is a minus b into a minus b, which is a minus b whole square, same as a square minus 2ab plus b square. And now in this case, a is actually 2a and b is 7. So we'll replace those. Is equal to a square. So 2a square minus 2 into a is 2a, b is 7 plus b square 7 square. That is 2a square is 4a square. 2a's whole square is 4a square minus 2 into 7, 14 into 2, 28 a plus 49, 7. Let's do the third one. Here we have a number minus another number and first number plus another number. So it is a minus b into a plus b. So we are going to use is equal to a square minus b square. Identity number 3. So here a is 1.1 m and b is 0.4. A square, which is 1.1 m square minus b square 0.4 square, and that will be 1.1 square is 1.21 m square, 0.4 square is 0.16. Let's do the fourth one. A square plus b square in bracket minus a square plus b square. Now I'm going to just put this here and this here. So exchange them. This here and this here. And that will become b square plus a square and b square minus a square. It's again the same. A number plus another number. First number minus our second number. So we are going to use this identity. So we'll write this one. We'll write this as b square plus a square in bracket b square minus a square. And now if you see a plus b, a minus b, number plus other number, number minus other number. And the answer is going to be a square means first number's square. First number is b squares, that number's square, minus second number's square. Second number is a squares, and that is square of that. And so it is going to be, we know exponent rule, it is b raised to 4 minus a raised to. Let's do the fifth one. Here minus a plus c, minus a plus c. So one number plus other number, one number plus other number, and multiplication of them. So this is like a plus b. So it is like a plus b, one number plus other numbers square. And that is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. And in this case, a is equal to minus a and b is equal to c. So we will write this as a square. So first minus a whole square plus 2 into a into b, 2 into minus a into plus c, plus b square, which is c square. Because if you see, a is minus a and b is c, and hence a square minus a square. 2, a is minus a, b is c, and b is c here. And that gives minus a square is a square. 2ac, but this is minus here, and minus plus gives us minus. So minus 2ac plus c square. This also could have been done using a minus b, just by interchanging these numbers to make them c minus a into c minus a. Simplify. So let's do the first one. A square minus b square whole square. So let's use the identity a minus b whole square. And this is my a and this is my b. And identity says it is a square minus 2ab plus b square. And hence a square minus b square whole square will become a. A is a square, so a square's square minus 2. A is again a square. B is here b square plus b square. B is actually b square here, so b square's square. And that is going to be a raised to 4 minus 2 into a square b square plus b raised to 4. That is our first one. Let's do the second one. Here a plus b square minus a minus b square. So we are going to use both the identity 1 and 2. I'll write the identities first. So let's do this. 2x plus 5 whole square minus 2x minus 5 whole square. That is equal to. First we'll use identity 1 here. So that is a square plus 2ab plus b square. A is 2x. So that is our first term we have written here. Then the second term minus here. And I'm going to put one bracket so that this minus is properly applied to each of the terms. Here a square again minus now plus bracket complete. So let's now simplify. 2x whole square is 4x square plus 2x into 5 is 10x into 2 20x plus 5 square is 25 minus inside bracket 2x whole square is 4x square minus 20x again and plus 25. Now we will bring these terms outside the bracket. So it will be 4x square and like terms together. So 4x square here minus 4x square plus 20x from here minus and minus plus 20x plus 25 minus plus minus 25. So these will get cancelled, these will get cancelled. Remains is 40x. So answer is 40x. Let's do the third one. AB plus BC whole square minus 2AB square C. This is one number plus 2, second number whole square. So we are going to use A plus B whole square, which is A square plus 2AB plus B square. So let's start doing it. Whole square would be A square, means first term. So A into B square plus 2 times AB. This term, plus B square, so last term. And we have this minus 2AB square C here. So that is minus 2AB square C. So it's equal to AB square is A square B square plus 2 times 2AB 2 times, so B square A B square and C plus B C whole square is B square C square minus 2A B square C. We see that this and this term, these two terms are like terms, and hence we'll see we can perform operations on them. This is plus 2 and this is minus 2. So plus 2 minus 2 will get cancelled and remains A square B square plus B square C square. That is our answer.
I am sure you have liked the video. Hit the like button and leave your views in the comments section below. Do watch our other videos on this topic. Subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get notifications whenever we upload new videos. You may also download the YouTube app at the link provided in the video description. Till we meet again, goodbye.